So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I got a new app to install in my Playpoints. So please comment down below if you got your free apps to install in Playpoints or not. So today I'm going to show you which app did I got to install in my free Playpoint option. So before starting the video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to show you in which server I got the new app. Look, you can see here easily. This is South Korean server, which I got a new app, a free app to install in my Playpoints option. So I'm going to show you which app did I got to install in my Playpoints option today. So before showing, if you do not got this app, so please check out in your Chrome browser. Just open your Chrome browser and type play.google.com/points. Then you will redirect to your Google Playpoints in a browser. So just I'm going to showing you. Just open your Chrome browser. I had hit direct link here, so just I'm going to click in that. Okay, when you did not find your app in Play Store, so just check out in this. Okay, check out in your Chrome browser. If you again do not find your app, so you will not get these apps. Okay, so I got this app today, so just I'm going to show you. Here is two app. One is requires age verification, so we cannot able to install this app. So I'm going to install this one app equal 5 points. Okay, just I'm going to open in my Play Store. So just I'm going to claim my free 5 points. Okay, just click on that and click install and cancel button immediately. So just I'm going to go claiming my free points. Okay, so please comment down below, did you got these apps or not? So I got this app today. So I had already installed this app. I have 125 points. Look, my points history. I got this app today, and I have right now 125 points remaining. Okay, so if you like my video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get latest update about my videos.